Hello and welcome to my channel, Make English Easy. Lesson number 1, Good Citizenship. Do you know what this image is? Let's learn to spell and read. 4 things to do to become a good citizen. Being kind. Being kind. Repeat after me. Being kind. Being kind. Being kind means treating everyone with care, respect, and a happy smile. Speak politely. Speak politely. Repeat after me. Speak politely. Speak politely. Using polite words like please, thank you, and excuse me every day. Helping friends. Helping friends. Repeat after me. Helping friends. Helping friends. Help your friends when they need you and work together as a team. Sharing toys and school supplies. Sharing toys and school supplies. Repeat after me. Sharing toys and school supplies. Sharing toys and school supplies. Share your toys and school supplies so everyone can learn and play together. Now it's your turn. Wow, well done. Now it's your turn. Being kind. Speak politely. Helping friends. Sharing toys and school supplies. Great job. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you'll soon be reading.
With teacher Mick, alphabet to reading. Learn with teacher Mick, reading really quick. Yeah, teacher Mick.
Ta-da! See you next time.